Okay, we're going to insert this inside the column this way. What we'll do is we'll put it between the rafters to get it down in. And once I find the height that I want to use, which is about 14 inches, we'll insert the dowel through. Basically, we just let it sit on top of the column. The dowels will hold it in place. And it's just going to ride. We'll place it to where it's between two floor joists, or if there's any other structures, we'll make sure that it rides. When the house is coming down, this strap will ride flat against the beam, and it'll stay to the house. And when we come to bolt it in, it'll be right there. So we can put it here, or we can put it here in the other side. It really doesn't make any difference. We'd rather put this onto the actual laminate beam than opposed to this, because the laminate beam is going to hold more beam structure on more of the house as opposed to just one floor joist.
Sure.
So we'll just keep it onto the main structure of the house here. So it's basically going to sit like this until the concrete is poured. Once the concrete is poured and leveled on the top, we'll just pull the dowel out, and this will remain sitting. The concrete will be thick enough to hold this sitting in place. I'll get a little better shot of the inside of it.
Okay, I'm going to hand the camera to you for that. It's going.
Okay, as you can see, it's up against the laminate beam here to get a good tight fit when we put the lag bolts in, and the bottom of it is just dangling down inside of the column there, which will be filled with concrete all the way up to this level at the top, underneath the bottom of the dowel here. The dowel will be taken out at that point, and it should just be suspended there.
Okay, now Philip, you were telling me that you were going to put one on the, you were going to put two on the external.
Correct. We have a couple that are a little bit longer, as you can see there, and they kind of go around the outside structure of the house. So we will put probably 3 on that particular one because it's just a bigger column. These in the middle are 24 by 24, so one will be plenty enough to hold down this particular one here.